Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your homepage on Google Chrome. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you just want to navigate over to whatever you want your default homepage to be. Doesn't matter which one, but we're just going to go select Wikipedia for this example. Close out of any other open tabs as well. And once you've navigated over to this page, you're going to go select the menu icon, top right corner of the browser where it says Customize and Control Google Chrome. Go ahead and left click on that, and you want to select Settings. Select the search engine. Select On Startup on the left side. And then underneath On Startup, select Open a specific page or set of pages. And then select where it says Use Current Pages. So once you have that done, if you had multiple tabs open here, you could also just remove them if you had extra ones by clicking on this little icon next to it, and then just remove it, so you could remove specific pages as well. So pretty straightforward process. You would need to restart your browser for the change to take effect, and that'd be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.